Thank you for joining us on this Tuesday. The long-running Lowcountry saga of Alec Murdaugh continues on Wednesday in Columbia.
Well, his defense team will appear before the South Carolina State Supreme Court to overturn his March 2023 double murder conviction in the death of his wife and his son. The hearing is set for 9:30 tomorrow morning, where both sides will present their case before the justices, but it could be weeks before a decision is reached.
That's right, but News 4's Webb Wright is with us right now to talk about the defense strategy behind the appeal and how the hearing will be structured. Webb?
Well, the two key pillars of the Murdaugh case centers around former Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill's comments to jurors and Judge Newman's admission of financial crimes evidence into the double murder trial. They say that both prejudiced the jury against Murdaugh. Murdaugh's defense team will take a two-pronged approach. The first, were Becky Hill's words enough to prejudice the jury? Judge Jean Toll, in an earlier decision, said no. Now it's up to the defense to prove otherwise.
Once you show juror interference under the federal standard, you get an automatic new trial. There's a state standard, a separate state standard. Not only do you have to show the juror interference, but you have to show that it actually made a difference in the outcome of the verdict.
The second revolving around the financial convictions. Murdaugh pleaded guilty to stealing millions from his clients and his law firm. He was sentenced to 27 years in prison for the state crimes and 40 years on the federal charges.
Introduction of the financial crime, whether that prejudiced Alex's fair trial rights under the Sixth Amendment, that it's improper character evidence under Rule 404.
The appeal will be broken up into segments. On the appeal from the denial of a new trial, each side will have 20 minutes. Arguments stemming from the appeal of the underlying trial, each side will have 20 minutes as well, with the defense having 10 minutes for a closing argument.
The federal courts will be more apt to say that the federal standard does apply because it is a fundamental constitutional right to have a fair jury trial under the Sixth Amendment.
But regardless of the outcome, Bland says Murdaugh won't be released anytime soon.
He'll never get a breath of fresh air ever again. He can't appeal the financial crimes. He pled guilty to those. My standpoint, he's just out of the public's hair.
Now, 5 justices will hear the case. At least 3 must agree in order to grant a new trial. And you can watch the hearing in its entirety on our website at abcnews4.com, as well as the ABC News 4 YouTube page. Working for you, Webb Wright, News 4.
And you can scan the QR code on your screen to watch Criminally Obsessed 30-minute interview with Eric Bland, where he breaks down the 2 key reasons behind the appeal and shares what he would ask Alec if he had the chance to speak with him directly. Well,